So as you can see, I'm airing this from the car. Now I was wondering for the last few days, what exactly are we doing? We are going on extending lockdowns. We are confining people to a lot of containment zones. We are trying to partially lock down some areas with the assumption that the COVID is going to go away, or at least is going to come down, and subsequently it's not going to go up. See, the funny assumption is, once the COVID infection rate comes down, we assume that it's not going to go up again. At the point where the breakdown, the lockdown is withdrawn, it will flare up again. I underscore that point. Even if we contain an area, even if we lock down an area, the COVID virus is not going to go away. It's going to stay on. And when the lockdown is withdrawn or the containment is opened, it's going to flare up again. So now imagine, what are we doing? I would like to repeat once again, lockdown is not the solution for COVID-19. The solution lies in the other precautions, whatever is called SMS, your mass sanitization, distancing, etc. Now, this virus is going to stay on. So how long will you lock down? If you withdraw lockdown when the infection rate comes down, it's going to flare up again. So guys, just think reasonably, logically, and do whatever is good for the nation and the economy, rather than doing something without any direction, without any light at the end of the tunnel. How can we assume that once the infection rate comes down and the lockdown is withdrawn, the virus will not flare up again? How can we assume that? In fact, in many countries, the virus has flared up again when the lockdown was withdrawn. So what are we doing? What we are doing is simply ruining the economy. Irrecoverably, irreversibly. We are just ruining the economy. We are ruining lives. We are putting people under enormous stress, financial stress. We are leading people to suicide. We are leading people to breakups in relations, under the assumption that the lockdown will bring down infection. True, it will. But the second assumption is ridiculous, that once the lockdown is withdrawn, the virus will not flare up again. What kind of assumption that is? I leave this thought open with you to share with the concerned authorities, and to arrive at a logical solution for this. Thank you very much.